solve a new array problem, and this array problem is very important, so please focus. The question is says that write a Java program to count the occurrence of each element in a given array, and our input is 1 2 1 3 2 4, and insert even values is an array. The user output it 1 2. It means that 1 is present 2 times, so 1 2. 2 is present is 2 times, so 2 2. 3 is 1 time and 4 is also 1 time. So how can we do this? Let's go to in the code. So create a new class occurrence, and create the main method implicitly. First take the our array, so int array a equals to 1 2 1 3 2 4. This is our input, and our expected output is occurrence of each character. 1 is how much time is present in our array, 2 is how much time, so we need a for loop. For first for loop is indicate that index int I equals to 0 and I less than a dot length, and do I plus plus. Then we need another for loop. This for loop indicate the element of the array, so for int j equal to I plus 1 and j less than a dot length, and also do j plus plus. So now understand what we do here. In here we take I equal to 0, so I is now in here, and in here j equal to I plus 1, so j is now here. In here we check that if a of I equals to a of j, if a of I, it means if I equals to a of j and j in here for loop, so j comes till here, so j comes till here, and when I value is 1, I value is when 1, then j value start from here, and it goes till here. So in here we check that if a of I equals to j, then what we do? Then we need a variable, and in this variable we put here out of the inner for loop but inside the outer for loop. Int count equals to 1. Count always start from 1 because the I is indicate the element, first element, and j is indicate the next element of that element. So count is 1. It means 1 is present. 1 is count 1 time. If j is comes here, then count is 1 is 2 times, so count increment by 1. So in here count plus plus. Not only count plus plus, we replace this is with 0. A of j equals to 0. So if I equals to ai equals to aj, it means when j comes in here, then ai equals to aj, so it replaced by 0. Then it's replaced by 0. So in here we check given one condition. If a of I equals to 0, then continue. Then don't run the for loop, then continue. If we don't write this condition, then what happened? We see this, and out of this for loop, what we do? We print this, just print. What print? Just print a of I plus count. Let's see what our expected output. You can see that a comes 2 times, 2 comes 2 times, 3 comes 1 time, and 4 comes 1 times. If we don't write this, then what happened? You can see that first times once is comes 2, then 2 is comes 2, then 0 is come. Why 0 is come? Because in here a of j equals to 0. So it means that if the second times when a of I value is matched to the j value, then it's replaced by 0. Then this is now command. So when I value is in here, then 0 is counted, and 0 is also printed that how much time is 0 is present here, and in here it is also 0 and 2 is match here, so it is also then 0. So we need to write this condition. Some of you will write this condition in this line, in before this line. So if you write this is also correct, but if we write in the front of this here, then we reduce the iteration, and this is good for practice for a programmer. And in interview this is very important, that how much iterate your program is run. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's see in another video.